So we have a small mistake here, right? So I forgotten to write static over here, and that's why we are getting trouble to upload our HTML page. So this is my HTML page, and now you can see this all field are empty. So we have to fill this all field in our whatever the data we have given in our database. That all data will be fetch, and this all detail will be shown here. Okay, so let's go and see how to do this. So I am going to do a code in a view part. So go to the view part. Let me close all things. Okay, so where is the view management views, right? So in this view part you have to code here. So what are the code you have to note down here? So thing is that you have already written here. So make a one variable of a book underscore list equal to, and book, sorry, book dot object dot all. So complete context equal to curly braces. So book underscore list, book underscore list. Okay, now make here context. Okay, so you have done this part. Now go to the HTML page, right? So our target is to get all the details here. Okay, so I have to first mention here. So this is my header, table header part, and this is my td table row part. So here first I have to mention the our for loop, because in our database there are many data, right? So I have to fetch all the data by step one by one. Okay, so for that I have to first mention here the loop. So how to write a loop? So loop is here, the way of writing the loop is like percentage, inside this percentage you have to write for book in book list. Okay, so the context which you are passing here, so this context here you are passing, that having the variable book list, and this book list have all the object which we having in the database. So you have to write here for book in book list. Okay, and then you have to first write here book dot title. Okay, then here in the place of source you have to write, okay, this source field I will explain you later. Okay, so now this part, go to the book book sorry, copy this part. So inside this you have to write book dot author. Okay, delete this one, control V. Inside this write book dot summary. Okay, so next field which we have, that is book dot isbn. So actually let me tell you that don't be get confused that why I am writing here book title, book author, book summary, because we have already designed in our models, and in the models we have given this field name, right? Roll number, sorry, in a book title, author, summary, isbn. So this all field I am just calling here. So I am giving this book dot isbn. Okay, so book dot isbn, and then language, then book dot, okay, so January, book dot total underscore copies. Okay, so let's save it and go to the HTML page. So what error I am getting? So it's saying that, okay, so in for loop I didn't mention, no issue. Let me write here. So go to here and then percentage, and for okay, so no problem. Control S, go to the page. Okay, now you can see here I have a title, C programming, author name anime, summary, ISBN number, language English, general management. Okay, now you can see here I am getting some error like management.generate.none and copies is here 5, right? So I have to fix these two things, generate and image, right? So how to upload the images? So when you are uploading the images, it is very important to understand that what is the steps for that. So first you have to do the setting of it. So let me tell you. Okay, so let me take you in the coding part and in the URL of, so project URL, right? So project URL you have to write down few things here. So what are the things you have to write here? So let me tell you. From django.conf dot urls dot static import static, right? So this line you have to first import, and the second thing is that from django.conf from django.conf import setting. Okay, so after writing this you have to write here one thing more, that is URL patterns equal to, so first here write plus equal to static setting dot media. So what is the media? If you will go to the setting part, you will see here I already here mentioned that my media part, right? So static URL, and this is my media URL and media. So I have to first give all this setting to the URL part. Okay, so URL part plus set static setting media URL media underscore, okay, it's all in caps, PMEDIA media underscore URL document underscore root equal to settings dot media underscore root. Okay, so media URL, okay, it's a media underscore URL. Now it's work. Settings, SETTINGS. Fine. Okay, so let it save. Now it's saying that the Django confirm settings. Okay, so here is the spelling mistake. Control S. Okay, server is working perfectly. So my this part is completed. Now go to the book detail. Now what you have to do here, you have to give the path of this, right? So first make like this way, then mention that what is the path of the book. So book, because the book dot pick, so this images, not this image. In the media we have a book images, right? In the media we have a book images, and here we have to, that is the file, that is book image, that is a C program, right? So book dot, but if you will go and check out the models.py, models.py, let me tell you that where it is. Okay, so model.py, so here it is, field name is pick, right? So you have to mention here books.pick dot URL. Okay, so you have to write here and then go and check it out, it's working or not. Okay, so the book is come, fine. So my this part is completed. Now the second thing is that I have to mention this part, right? So now let's see what I have to do here. So but okay. So go to the coding part and right here, and here just you have to just make it delete it, and then right here first you have to run the loop. So percentage for in book dot genre dot all, okay, and then go here, then right here, okay, and then percentage if not for loop dot last, okay, and then percentage int if, and then int for, okay. So I done my this part. Let's go and check again. So now it is having this output after fix it up. Let me see. Now you can see it changed. Now it's a computer science math programming, right? So this is the way of your doing. Now let's add some more field over here. So admin, okay, books, add, title is C sharp, C sharp, author is WRX rocks, summary, this book is for the C sharp programmers, ISBN number is ABCD 12345, computer science programming, computer science control, math programming, then language is English, sorry not Hindi, English, total number of copies 5, choose the file, C sharp programming book, save, okay. So now go and go to the book part, books. So now you can see this book is already uploaded here, and all the description related to the books is uploaded here, okay. So I believe this part is clear to you. In the next part, now we are going to the in the admin panel, and then we are going to add this all books details. But now in the next video we are going to design one HTML page where we will upload all the things with the help of HTML, right? So it's a HTML design, and there we will upload all the details of the book, and then after saving this, our page will be redirect to this page, and we will see all the details of our book, okay. So thank you.